Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Motormall here. We back at it with another episode. We got the R1 rebuild. So on last episode of the R1, we actually stripped it down, trying to get the spark plugs out. We got all the spark plugs out pretty much, and we're getting ready for the compression test. Shout out my homie Allen for hooking me up with a nice Innova compression tester for dirt cheap. I'm talking dirt cheap, so shout out him for that. So right now we're just gonna jump right into it and start compression testing this thing. Fingers crossed, y'all. All right, I also want to add, the point of a compression test is to see if any piston cylinder rings or the piston or even the cylinder walls have any damage that's preventing the chamber from creating enough pressure to combust the engine. So this is actually gonna be my first time actually ever doing a compression test. So I put the 10mm adapter into it because that's the one that fits in here. And the videos say, because I was searching videos and reading forums, they say not to get one that's long enough that'll touch the piston and maybe damage the piston in the process of doing these compression tests. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and slip this into cylinder number 1. And give this a twist. Alright. That will help to put a battery in. I need a battery. Fully charged too, so I'm not worried about that. Get my screws. My screws. And like, I used to think that this would like be like intimidating working on the engine and shit with your bike, especially if it's like your only bike. It's intimidating, but like if you're a little bit of mechanically inclined, it's fairly straightforward. And if you know how to follow directions, it's fairly straightforward. What's up, buddy?
Sit down. Mom? Sure. I'm so sleepy.
There you go. Alright, so we got cylinder 1. Cool. I'm attached to it. Okay.
This is to us. Side of the bridge.
Put it in like that.
Yeah.
No. And my daddy long live.
How long was feeling?
Alright, cool. So we got the compression tester in. Oh, we got it in right here. So just make sure you focus on that part right there.
No, I just don't know.
Yeah. Right now. Yeah.
Right.
And now they say when you're doing this, you have to have the throttle wide open, and then you crank for like 5 seconds, they say. So here we go. Let's try it one more time. Wide open. Bro. There's absolutely no compression in cylinder 1. That's not a very good start. Alright, let's move to the next one. All right, so we just tested the first cylinder. As you see, we had absolutely no compression. I had a feeling, some deep down inside was like, something wrong in this engine, but I just didn't want to believe it, you know? That's the last thing you want to be wrong when you purchase a bike, is the fucking engine, not having compression. So we're about to go to move it to cylinder 2, 3, and 4. Let's see if we have any at all within these 4 cylinders. Cylinder number 2, hopefully This one has something. And the range for compression too in the cylinder is 179 to 253 for the Yamaha 2016, 2020, I believe. They all running like the same thing. Hey son, what you doing, son? You gotta get back.
No,
You gotta get back. Turn it off. Oh, you wanna be my helper? Alright, so turn it on. Wide open. We got some that time. We had 90. We had 90 PSI. That's crazy. Still well below what we're supposed to be at like 179 to like 253, something like that in that range, and we were well below. So at least we got compression in one cylinder, so I'm happy about that. Let's move on to the next piece. That's crazy. On to cylinder number 3. Oh, you can stop that one. Yeah.
Okay, cycles. Just lay them over and check. Right. Don't.
I'm helping.
No. Fingers crossed. Cylinder number 3. Cylinder number 3. Hey, drop down in the comments if y'all think it's gonna be over 90 or under 90. Over 90 or under 90. Drop it in the comments. What y'all think? All right. Throttle wide open. Let's let it rip. That's about like 89. So that's decent. But it's still not 179 what we need in each cylinder. So we getting there. All right, on to number 4. Numero 4.
Right.
Nah, I ain't know you. No, you good. No, you did. You good. My girl helping me. You good. My girl helping me shoot the video, so we learning together. On God, we learning together. All right, so here we go. Number 4.
We're gonna get this wire. Alright. This is back of this water and we are in the middle of the way to do it.
Yeah, we'll get it out after. I promise we'll get it out after.
I was gonna get the water to the out in a little bit.
All right, now cylinder number 4. I don't know, man. I really don't know. 1 didn't have any. 2 had 91. Number 3 had 89. I have no idea what number 4 gonna be. I can't even give y'all no guess. Y'all can put y'all guess down in the comments again, but I have no idea. You can put that in the garbage. I don't need this, son. Thank you, though.
Thanks.
So, throttle wide open. Same thing. We crank. We got 61 PSI, or 61 PSI in cylinder 4. So, what that means is, out of 4 cylinders, 3 have compression, 1 don't. So, that's good. That's good. We ain't gonna have to rebuild nothing. We ain't gotta rebuild nothing at all. So, we good. We good right now. I'm feeling good, but I'm a little upset, but we feeling good. We feeling good. For sure. All right, y'all. So, that was the compression test. Excuse me, it's hot in this garage. It's pushing 90 degrees. But we did the compression test. As y'all seen, we did 1 through 4. Cylinder 1 had no compression at all. Cylinder 2 had 92 PSI. Number 3 dropped down to like 60s. And then number 4 was at 60 again. So That's well below the numbers for this spec, this Yamaha 2016 R1S. That's way below spec. Spec is like 179 to like 253. I got the manual right here, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and right here. So now I'm about to go ahead and figure out. Actually, I'm gonna just need to do a leak down test. So I was looking in the forums and everything, and they're like, oh, after you do a compression test, if it, you don't have that much compression in all 4 cylinders, do a leak down test. So a leak down test, once again, is pretty much to see if any of the piston rings are damaged or anything, see if there's like air escaping through the head gasket, through the cooling system, or any of that. That's what the leak down test pinpoints. So for the leak down test, I need an air compressor and I needed to get a leak down tester. I got both of those. Let's see. Yep, got my air compressor and I got the leak down tester. This one from like Amazon for like 50 bucks. It was like Orion. I should have got the Maddox one because I was reading on the forums. They said that's the best one, the one that gets the most accurate readings when it comes to leak down testing. And I also got a little McGraw 3-gallon, 110 maximum PSI air compressor. So that's what I'm gonna end up doing for this. End up doing a leak down test. Once we pinpoint the issue while doing the leak down test, then our next thing will be to actually perform valve adjustments, whether that be on the exhaust side or the intake side. And 9 times out of 10, with compression this low, we're gonna have to do a valve adjustment because there's really no damage to the motor. So I don't consider a full rebuild even logical or even the thing to do. So we're gonna do the valves after we do the leak down test. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. But that's gonna be in the next episode. And I appreciate y'all for tuning in on this episode for the compression test. It's upsetting seeing the bike that I purchased in this shape right now, but I swear, we're gonna get this bike up and running. I already know you can't buy talent, baby. Peace.